Sty. Introduction. The edge of your eyelid contains oil glands. Select true or false. Correct. The oil in these glands protects your eyes. Sometimes the glands can become clogged. Do styes usually go away on their own? Select yes or no. Correct. Styes usually go away on their own. Home treatment can speed up the healing process, but styes that grow larger, cause pain, or last for a long time may need medical treatment. Styes happen when the oil glands in your eyelids become clogged. Select true or false. Correct. Styes happen when the oil glands in your eyelids become clogged. The glands are usually infected by bacteria. Philip has had a bump on his eyelid for 5 days. It is tender to the touch and red. Philip's eyelid is becoming swollen and he's having problems seeing. Should Philip contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Vision problems and eyelid swelling could be signs of a problem. Philip should contact his healthcare provider. Will popping your sty help it heal more quickly? Select yes or no. Correct. Never squeeze or pop a sty. Popping a sty may lead to a worse infection. You can avoid getting a sty by choose one of the following options. 1. Changing your contact lenses regularly. 2. Cleaning your eyelids every day. 3. Throwing away old eye makeup. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.